Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect SoundCloud to Discord. It's really simple and easy. First of all, go to your Google Chrome and click on the extension icon in the top right corner. Then go for Manage Extensions to proceed. Now click on Get More Extensions and search for PreMID in the Chrome web browser. Next, click on the first result for PreMID and select Add to Chrome or Add to your browser you are using. And after that, click on Add Extension to install it. Now click on Link and Discord account and authorize the connection by clicking on Authorize. Then click on Next to complete the linking process. Once done, open a new tab and search for Discord. Now click on Login and enter your account credentials. After logging in, click on Settings icon at the bottom left corner of Discord. Next, scroll down to the left dashboard and select Activity Privacy. Then go back to your browser and click on the PreMID extension icon from the top right corner. Here click on the settings icon next to sound and make sure that hide while pod is off and show title as present tense is on. Now as you can see, the setup is complete and your SoundCloud activity is connected to Discord. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to connect SoundCloud to Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.